Welcome to ck.SADC Quickstart, the SAP Business One add-on which allows you to implement SAP document information extraction without any programming knowledge and which gives you a clear overview of the automatic capture of incoming invoices. We have created an overview of the whole process. From the moment an incoming invoice is imported up until its posting, so that you can see the statuses of all non-posted invoices. From the same view and with just a few clicks, you can send new documents for automatic processing, train the document recognition system, and be alerted to discrepancies from base documents before they are posted. All via the SAP Business One user interface without needing to switch applications. Implementation is child's play. ck.SADC Quickstart is installed as usual via SAP Add-on administration. You only specify the default values for vendor, customer, and article. Then you are on your way. The document overview shows you all incoming invoices, sorted according to status, which are currently being automatically processed. Newly captured invoices, invoices which are currently being processed, and invoices which have already been processed. You can even see the status of individual invoices in the SAP approval procedures. Everything always visible. New incoming invoices enter automatic processing either when you select files in the document overview or when you add them directly to a specific Windows directory. If several employees are using ck.SADC Quickstart at the same time, they are able to exchange documents among each other. The preview in the document overview helps you to identify specific invoices. Choose all of the incoming invoices that you want to send to SAP Document Information Extraction. After automatic recognition, new documents are displayed in the Process tab. From here, you can then switch straight to the new generated draft documents. As soon as a draft document is created, it is matched and compared with the base documents. Discrepancies in quantity and price are then highlighted. You also have the opportunity to make additional queries, comparisons, and rules according to your requirements. For example, all invoices that are received from a certain business partner can be posted immediately if no discrepancies are detected. It is sometimes necessary to train the artificial intelligence of SAP. Any documents that require this are flagged in the document overview. Simply open the training program and use the mouse to add the missing values. When you save, your corrections are transferred to SAP automatically. That's how quick and easy it is to use ck.SADC Quickstart to manage and organize your incoming invoices. Send them to SAP Document Information Extraction for automatic processing, and then check and post them. Everything in view, everything under control with ck.SADC Quickstart from ck.Solution.